and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product openings and unboxings. Today, as you can see, I'm going to be reviewing this massage gun. I've been wanting a massage gun for the longest time and I'm so excited that this is going to be my first ever massage gun that I own. I've used everyone else's, all my friends' massage guns, but this is my first one, my own. So, yeah, so let's go ahead and get to it. Let's just open this bad boy up. It's interesting that it's shaped like an angle like this, which the most ones I've seen are straight, but with this, it's gonna be a little bit easier to hold and maneuver, especially when you're like operating on like your own back. I don't wanna like damage the box and try to like open it up so like carefully. Comes with a case as well. I was wondering why the box was so big. This is legit, it's so heavy too. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. Literally, I was like over at my brother's house using his massage gun like every single day. Like, I already know how massage guns like work. Get one and you'll find out they are phenomenal. Like, they literally loosen you up so, it is so big, and the bigger it is, the more powerful it is, and the different settings you have. And once again, as I was explaining, like the angle to this, like when you do it like this, it goes like that. For example, if this was straight, then you'll be like having to like go like nuts. All right, so let's open up their accessories box. Okay, so it comes with lots of different types of heads that you can use depending on the type of massage that you want. The most typical one is just the ball, but we also have kind of shape like a little mushroom shape, or like it's like really soft, kind of like rubbery feel, which is interesting because this one is just like a little bit more like plastic feel. This is definitely heavier, and then this one is lighter. Also have this head, which, you know, is more targeted. Got a flat head as well. Also, wow, interesting. I wonder what all of these do. Oh, this one looks crazy. This one looks really comfortable though. So yeah, I'm excited to try out all of these different heads. Also comes with a charger. All right, so there's only a few things that you can do. I mean, I'm only seeing like one button here, play button, and then like one button here, which is great because otherwise it would probably get like really confusing. First off, you can see it's the off and on switch, so we're gonna switch that over to on. Let's load it up with the first guy here. Put it in or attach it like that. Pretty simple. Okay, once again, turn it on, and then we're just gonna press the play button or the start button. And as you can see, it's moving like super quick. Oh, going in and out as well. As you can see with this little rotator thing. On the bottom, you can see if you press this, it comes basically with different strengths. We're gonna press it again, definitely going a lot faster, and then press it one more time, even faster than that. See if we just press. So basically 3 speeds and off all on the same button, but it will not work unless the bottom is on. It actually says to fully charge the device for 3 hours before use. Let's go ahead and try out another head. Let's try out this super cool looking one. Make sure it's nice and tight. And then once again, turn it on, and let's just do the speed so you can see. That's 1, 2, this is 3. And I mean, this whole thing is shaking. So this is like maximum strength. And as you can see, holding it at this angle is super nice. Doesn't make it super hard for me to massage my own back. Try the other side. Make sure not to get your hair tangled in there. Ooh, okay, sorry. I forgot that I was filming because it's just so comfortable. I can't wait to stop filming so I can just like massage like for the next 10 minutes. But basically it will shut down after 10 minutes though, for your safety. It'll basically automatically shut off after you've used it for 10 minutes. If you want to restart it, you can by simply pressing this start button again, but it just kind of lets you know like, okay, you know, the session is done. So another thing is that the average charging time is about 2.5 to about 3 hours. So this is perfect for if you have like back pain, neck pain, sore muscles. Basically just go down in order to relieve any muscle aches or pains. There isn't too much to it, except for it's a immensely powerful device that can ease your whole entire body and free you from stress. Well, okay, that's like a big, you know, obviously I'm a humongous fan of massage guns. In general, I'm just a fan of massages, but like the fact that like you can just get one device and then massage yourself and or have your spouse or your partner or whoever massage for you, instead of like, you know, going to the masseuse. I mean, this is saving not only time but also money. So if you want to purchase this incredible device, check out the link below. I have a 10% discount for you as well, so make sure to check that out. Or share this video if you have a friend who's looking for the best massage gun out. There are a lot of massage guns out there, but the ones that will last you longer, actually good quality, actually are like Arrow, you know, and has a smart design, are not that many out there. So yes, you could get a lesser quality, but then it won't last you as long. I've heard a lot about, you know, the lesser quality ones breaking. So just invest in a solid, good quality one that comes with all the different heads and the case that it comes with, so you can carry it around everywhere you go. Let me know in the comments, first off, which head did you like the best? And then also I want to know what it is that you think about massage guns in general. Let me know in the comments if you like product unboxings and unopenings. Please make sure to subscribe and continue watching because I have a lot more of those coming. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.